How do I check the difference, in seconds, between two dates? There has to be an easier way to do this. I have objects that want to be refreshed every so often, so I want to record when they were created, check against the current timestamp, and refresh as necessary. Datetime has proven to be difficult, and I don't want to dive into the time library. Is there anything easier for this sort of thing?
If you want to compute differences between two known dates, use total_seconds like this. 86,400.0 0
Would that work for you?
Seven will be whatever amount of time you waited a bit above. I find datetime to be fairly useful, so if there's a complicated or awkward scenario that you've encountered, please let us know. Edit. Thanks to @wolf for pointing out that one is not always necessarily looking to refresh so frequently that the date times will be close together. By accounting for the days in the delta, you can handle longer timestamp discrepancies.
We have function total_seconds. With Python 2.7, please see below code for Python 2.6.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.